Jingle bell.
It is Monday at 10 a.m. Vlogmas Week 1 is going up, so if you have not watched that and you just stumbled upon Vlogmas Week 2, go and watch that down below. But hey guys, and welcome back to Vlogmas Week 2. I just got back from my 9 a.m. It's around 10:12 right now, and I'm going to get ready for the day. I just have to like get my room in order and everything. But I really hope you guys all enjoyed Vlogmas Week 1, and welcome back to Vlogmas Week 2. This week is going to be very, very stressful because it is finals week. I have finals on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, then I am home for Christmas break, and we have reading day on Wednesday. So this vlog might be a little bit shorter than Vlogmas Week 1 because I am going to be focused on studying, but I'm still going to vlog for you guys. I'll just like do clips in the library or whatever with my friends, whatever I could get footage of. But yeah, this week is going to be super stressful, and I'll like show you guys how I study and prepare for exams. Last night I was in the library all night outlining my chapters for accounting, so I got that out of the way, and it's only Monday, and I got that done on Sunday, so now tonight I could just practice all the problems that are on the exam, go read through my study guide and all that fun stuff. But yeah, I'm going to take you guys along through my last week here as a first semester sophomore, and yeah, let's get this bread.
Stockings are hung with care. The children sleep with one eye open.
Say hello, everyone. For the vlog.
This is my second time going to Chick-fil-A. Homophobic question mark? I don't think so. We'll see. The only other time I went here, I got food poisoning. Yes, it was a planned attack.
This time it'll
so
be different.
We'll see.
We'll see. Everyone got their food, and we're eating good tonight.
At stake, 'cause I'm older now, but not done hoping. Boom, 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 boom.
Hi guys, and welcome back. Happy Tuesday. I'm literally so sorry about this lighting. I literally do not have power, and I'm just using my lamp because it's the only outlet that works. So that's why it is super dark in my room. But it's around 3 o'clock. I just got back to my dorm. I had an 8 a.m. as you guys know. I had from work from 10 to 2, and then I just grabbed lunch. But I'm just going to like lay down for a little bit, maybe like take a nap, watch some Vlogmas, and then I'm going to go eat dinner at around 5-ish. And then I hit the library all night because I'm studying for my accounting exam on Friday, which I've been working really hard for. And it's great because for my accounting exam, we did a 20-point project that's 20 points towards our final exam. So literally if I get a 70, I'll get a 90 on the exam, which is like, I could definitely get a 70. So I just need to like study really hard because maybe I'll even get an 80 and then get 100 on the exam, which would be amazing. And then I have statistics on Saturday and TMD on Thursday. So it's a busy week. But yeah, I'm going to do that, and I'll update you guys then.
Wait, can I Ashley, let me narrate. Hey guys, it's me and Claire. We're back.
We're back at it again.
Back in the library. The best part about this university is this floor of the lid, because everybody stares at each other constantly, and it's really uncomfortable and miserable.
We get no work done, but we stare at each other.
Okay.
Corn dog, float away.
I'm studying accounting right now. Got a whiteboard. We're gonna kill it.
Shake up the happiness. Wake up the happiness. Shake up the happiness. It's Christmas time.
Hi guys, and happy Wednesday, December 12th. I am starting the vlog for the day because today is reading day. If you guys don't know what reading day is, it's the day before college finals start. We don't have class. The teachers kind of just give us time to get everything that we need to get done, which is studying for finals, because I have my first final tomorrow, which is TMD. Then I have my accounting final on Friday, and then my managerial statistics final on Saturday. But yeah, I'm going to meet up with my sister. She's actually on the phone right now. And a couple friends from accounting because we're going to continue to study that today. And I'm going to study statistics later too. Because TMD I feel really confident with because I literally have an A in the classes, but I'm still going to look over the material. But yeah, that's my plan for the day. I'm literally just going to spend all day in the library because that's what you do on reading day. But yeah,
Story that I was told, and I wanna tell the world before I get too old and don't remember it. So let's assemble it and reassemble it.
Hey, Ashenators.
we've been at the, how long have I been here? 11. Someone do the math, please.
You got here when I was still asleep.
Been here for 6 hours. We haven't even cracked open the Red Bull yet. So, doing accounting. She's doing TMD. Eric, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Eric's sitting there roasting everyone.
Yeah. My sister's doing accounting. Claire's doing geology. Gonna drink my Red Bull.
Claire's
I'm not
licking
you guys
rocks.
because it's only 5:07 and I'm gonna be here all night. But I have an 8 a.m. final. So yeah. Okay, hey guys, what's up? It's around like 10:15 right now. I got to the library at 11 a.m. this morning. So I'm clocking out for the night because tomorrow morning I have an 8 a.m. final. So obviously not gonna like vlog in my final, but I'll vlog like when I'm going there. And then after that I have work from 11 to 12. I'm due for my internship. Our men's basketball team is having an autograph signing, so I have to work that. And then I'm gonna hit the library and go over more of the open-ended questions that are gonna be on my accounting exam. Start reviewing for statistics on Saturday, and then Friday before and after my accounting exam I'm going to study for stats. Hi guys, it is 9:34. I just got out of my first final. I took my TMD final and I am not happy with how it went. I'm more upset because I got an 84 on my exam, which like is not bad at all, but my grade went from an 89 to an 87, and we still have like one more assignment she has to put in. But then I'm scared it's just going to go up to like an 88 point something or 89. And I don't know if she's like dropping one of her quiz grades or whatever. But it's just annoying because I'm like on that brink of like a B plus, A minus. And I really wanted like an A minus or an A in that class. And I'm just a little scared that that's not going to happen. Because a B plus and an A minus is a big difference. So yeah, that's my thoughts right now. The exam is actually hard. We have to do like a lot of fabrication swatches and all that stuff. So if you guys know TMD, you know. But yeah, I'm going to eat my bagel. I have work at 10, and I'll see you guys later.
I forgot to put another S.
Add it. We're in the library. We're losing it currently, but like, I'm with an accounting group, and they're just sitting in these cute little cubicles. Do you guys want to update the vlog on how your life's going?
We've been here for an hour. Gotten nothing done.
Nothing at all.
We want to die. The library is literally the equivalent of like
everyone that goes to our school is here.
you know how like when you go Black Friday shopping and like everybody's like it's just packed.
And like the parking lot, like you're like following people to their cars to steal their spots.
It's like a death
here to get to
It's
a
to the
table.
point where like you see people getting up from a table and you like run.
It reminds me of, you know, like in the Hunger Games when they like first go to the cornucopia and they're like sprinting across.
Yeah,
and
they have to get like their supplies.
they're like stabbing people.
Hi guys, it is around 1 a.m. I'm all in my pajamas. I'm ready for bed. I've been at the library all day studying for accounting. I feel very confident. I have my exam at 3 p.m. tomorrow, so you bet your bottom dollar I'm going to sleep in probably till like 10, 11 o'clock, and then probably go to the library in my business building and practice a little more of the open-ended questions, so I'm 100% confident. And then on Saturday, I have my stats final at, I think, 11:30, and then I'll be home right after that. Right after my stats final, I'm leaving. So yeah, that is what my next 2 days are looking like. I know tomorrow's going to be super stressful because I'm going to be studying all morning for accounting. Then right after accounting's over, I do not get a break because I'm going right into statistics mode. But yeah, I really hope you guys are enjoying VLOGMAS week 2 so far. I know it's a little bit all over the place because I'm literally not doing anything besides being in the library. But yeah, that's just what college does to you during finals week.
Feeling Christmas all around, and I'm trying to play it cool, but it's hard to focus when
Hi guys, so I just got back from my accounting exam. I think it went really well. I was unsure about one problem, which was a statement of cash flows if you guys take accounting. It was 13 points. I know I did the whole setup right, so I'll get partial credit for that, but my numbers at the end didn't add up because they're supposed to equal like the net cash and like the cash you got, but I got like 4,900 for the cash I added up, and then 7,000 for the net cash. So obviously it didn't add up, but I'll get partial credit, I hope. And then we had a 22-point project, so hopefully I'll get like around a 90 or 100, because that'd be huge, because I want to maintain my grade in that class, because I have like a B right now. But yeah, now I'm literally so brain dead, I can't function. Like, I just want to go to sleep forever. But I'm going to go to the library because I have a statistics exam tomorrow at 11:30. And then after that, I will be home. So, yeah.
So this was your junior year in high school. That's not correct. So can I ask you a question? What made you want to start?
A wild corn here.
I had a lot of time on my hands, and like I didn't have a job yet, so I was like,
Study.
Are you an urban outfitter?
Eric Lord. Welcome to the vlog, Eric Lord.
Oh, what's up? So here we got some cows.
Put this in the vlog.
No.
It's Old Beauty by Ashley.
That's Tyler, Meg, Roxo, Jack, I think, Eric Lore, Yodely Hee Hoo, and where are you?
we just finished stats. I'm here with your two faves.
Hey, the money makers of this channel.
The money makers.
What's up, Fashionator? Woo! They didn't even turn.
Well, yeah, we just finished stats. I'm leaving them. So
Thank
I'll
God.
update you guys. I'll update you guys when I'm in the car.
Guys, the first part of the gift, the second part of the gift is coming whenever it comes. Stay tuned.
I'm excited. It's a chunky turtleneck, but it's cropped, so I can wear it with like high boots and leggings.
And then there's more coming, but that's the only two that I've gotten so far.
Cute.
And it's like
my hair and my appearance. It is super late. It's around like 7:30, 8 o'clock-ish right now. Just got home. I want to show you guys my room decorated for Christmas. And like, I don't think you guys understand. If you're in college, you get it. Being home is amazing. Like, I miss my house so much. I just like can't wait to de-stress, de-wind. I don't know if I like told you guys, but on Sunday the 23rd we're going to South Carolina for Christmas, so I'm gonna do like a separate travel vlog and everything. I hope you guys enjoy that, which will like be like the end of my VLOGMAS series. But I want to show you guys my little Christmas tree. It's so cute. Look at how cute. It's like blue. I got it at Target like forever ago. And then this is me and my roommate from last year. Love you, Meg. And then like my Christmas thing, this is my water bottle. Like, I have so much stuff just scattered through my room, but we're home. Look at this happiness. Okay, so for breakfast, I just made myself avocado toast and these English muffins with a little bit of lemon juice and everything, but the bagel seasoning from Trader Joe's. It's so good. I really like it. I usually have it on like Ezekiel bread, but I've been loving it on English muffins. And then I just made myself a cup of coffee. I actually brought my Keurig home. It's over there. I brought it home from school because we don't have a Keurig home, but I know like I'm gonna use it a lot. So I made myself a Pike Place, and then I used this creamer that we had in the fridge. It's from Califa Farms, Better Half. It's coconut cream and almond milk. And we also have this one from Trader Joe's, which I have yet to try. It sounds so good, so I'm gonna use that when this is up. But yeah, that's what's in my fridge. But yeah, I'm gonna eat this and probably either edit the vlog, watch some vlogs, or watch this week's Riverdale episode. But yeah,